Hi, I'm Dan Cortopassi. Today I'm reviewing an HS scale 4427 cubic foot covered hopper from Tangent Scale Models. My car represents a Santa Fe GA212 class car that was acquired from the Toledo, Peoria, and Western. The MSRP for this car is $44.95. I got mine for $42.79 from modeltrainstuff.com. We'll start the model at 100 possible points. The car is packaged in a cardboard box with a clear plastic window. Inside, a two-piece molded plastic cradle protects the model. This is a good box that should provide adequate protection for storage and transport. Santa Fe acquired a number of covered hoppers like this one from the Toledo, Peoria, and Western. I found a photo of this exact car, ATSF 317-085 from 2007, and the model looks to be a very close match. The TPW ghost lettering and even the patched out areas around the COT stencil are very close to the photo. The car in the photo has a lot of surface rust. Some careful weathering could turn this car into a really amazing looking model. I did find a couple small errors. The airline is on the wrong side of the car. The end walkway support should be a pair of struts and not a solid sheet as on the model. I think a car this expensive should be accurate, so I'm taking 5 points for these issues. The paint on the model is thin and opaque. I really like the subtle color variations under the patched reporting marks and data stencils. The TP&W ghost lettering looks really good. All the stencils are crisp and the tiny writing is legible with magnification. The ladders have separately applied wire rungs and delicate stirrups. There's a lot of subtle detail, like the fine gap between the bottom sill and the ribs on the side. On the ends, the car has delicate ladders, photo-etched crossover platforms, uncoupling levers, and air hoses. The B end has a nicely done brake wheel and chain. On top, the car has a photo-etched roof walk with separately applied wire corner grabs. The hatch detail looks really good. Underneath, the model has good discharge gate detail and brake components. There are even rivets on the inside surfaces of the split center sill. The car has Katie scale couplers on both ends. The coupler in the A end is low, so I'm taking 5 points. The coupler in the B end is also low. All of the wheels are in gauge according to the NMRA standards gauge. Unfortunately, the car wobbles, so I'm taking 5 points. This could probably be fixed by tightening one of the bolster screws. The car weighs 4.4 ounces, very close to the 4.5 ounce NMRA recommended weight for a car of this length. I don't see a good way to take the car apart without damaging it, so adding more weight would be tricky. The car is very free rolling. Let's see what we've got. The model has some minor inaccuracies, so I took 5 points in the prototype accuracy category. The car had 2 low couplers and it wobbles, so I took 15 points in the standards and operation category. That leaves us with a total of 80 out of 100 possible points, which would be a B- on a report card. This is a nice model and it deserves a green signal. This is a really nice model that would look even better weathered. If you model the modern era, I think you'll like it.